Welcome back to our tutorial how to use R for research. In today's session, we have teach you working directories and paths in R programming. To get current directory, we can use getWD function. My current directory is R for researchers folder in the drive. For changing directory, we have setWD, which stands for set working directory. For example, let's select downloads folder as our directory. Now my current directory is downloads folder. Also, we can use Ctrl, Shift, and H for selecting directory. Let's say documents, or going to sessions, set working directory, then choose directory. We have ls function, which shows define data, sets, and functions. To remove everything in the working directory, we can use rm list equal ls, but only apply it when it is necessary. Otherwise, you lose these files and folders. For select path, we have file.path function, the drive in my computer, the natural resources folder and soil subfolder. Instead of folder, we can choose a file. Now we are selecting this soil subfolder as our directory. In R, we have two types of path. The first one, an absolute path, the full place of the file, and a relative path. It means the place of the file inside the current directory. We can create folders and files inside current directory by using dir.create and the name of file. Let's say 12. We can create empty file inside the directory. For example, tst format, doc format, and csv format. We can use supply function with the file.create to create a list of files inside the directory. Supply, paste O, the name of file, testnn, let's say, from 1 to 10, and the format is .csv. For deleting a file, we can use unlink function or file.remove function. And also we can use supply function for deleting a list of files. Supply paste O, the name, which was testnn from 1 to 5 .csv, the format, and using unlink function for all of them. For copy of file, we can use file.copy, then the name of the file, then destination. We have list.files or list files in my directory, and also you can specify a format, let's say .csv. Also we can list all CSV files through each subfolder. To check if the file exists or not, we use file.exists and the path. True, meaning yes, it exists, or false. That's the end of today's session.